By buying 3 investment properties at $375,000 each, I was able to increase my monthly income by $10,500 a month and grow my net worth to over $1 million. All I did was buy 3 investment properties at $375,000 each, which immediately increased my income by $10,500 a month, as well as my assets to $1,682,000. And simply by allowing these properties to appreciate in value over 5 years and have tenants pay down my mortgages, my assets skyrocketed to $2,130,955 and my net worth to $1,290,000. The top 2% all invest in real estate, and so should you. And this is just one wealth secret the top 2% use to build wealth. Join us on a free 60-minute webinar, 7 Wealth Secrets Revealed, where we will show you how we use these wealth secrets to grow our net worth from $332,000 to $4.5 million in just 5 years. Hope to see you there.